Central tendency. Does anybody know what central tendency is? Well, first of all, central means what? Something in the middle, right? Okay. Tendency means what? Something that happens. Okay? Good. This is easy. Okay? You've done probably parts of this before. And then we will expand on this tomorrow when we can measure the variation. Oh, no, that way.
Wait, what?
That way. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Okay. On your sheets, you have 3 definitions. Okay. You have. Let me turn this off. You have mean, median, and mode. By the way, has the time change messed with you guys?
Yes.
Yes.
That's why you're so quiet this morning.
Very much. I will die from this week.
So does it feel like you got up way earlier than you normally did?
Yes. It felt like I was in the middle of the night. My parents just said, "Hey, let's
Time to
talk."
get up. Well, hey, the good news is, after a month, you'll be used to it.
A month.
Yeah, be fine.
At least I can go to bed.
Hey, you got spring break next week, right? Okay. All right. So central tendency. Okay. Again, this is things that happen in the middle. Okay. Now, how many have ever heard of this one, the mean? Okay. Anybody not heard of the mean? Okay. Well, the mean, basically is a way of saying the average. Okay. All these are types of averages. Okay. The way you find the mean. Okay. You find the sum. What does sum mean? Total of what? Addition. Good. So you find the sum of the data and divide by what? Anybody know? The number of items in the data set. Okay? Easy peasy. Bless you. Okay, what about median? Anybody know what the median is? Anybody ever heard of median? Okay, Noah, what's a median? Do you know? No. Bless you. Okay, median is the exact middle number. Okay, and you have to first put data in order, numerical, which means least to greatest. Okay, and you cross them out from the outside in, and I'll show you how that's done in a minute. Okay, and then the last one is a mode. Does anybody know what a mode is? What's a mode, Lily?
Is it the most common number?
Yes, the number that occurs most. Can there be more than one mode?
Yes.
Yes, if the number that occurs most, let's say a number occurs most and it's tied with another number that occurs most, okay, there can be more than one mode. Okay. All right. Okay, everybody got that written down? Okay, let's do an example. Okay, can I erase this? Can I move this?
Yep.
Okay. Let's do an example here. Okay, let's say I've got the following numbers. I've got 5, I've got 14, I've got 8, I've got 2, I've got 89, I've got another 14, I've got a 10, and I've got a 2. Okay? And I'm going to find the mean, the median, and the mode. Okay. Well, before I start, okay, the easiest one of these to find is the mode. Can I look through that? Which one occurs most? Do I have more than one of anything?
Yeah.
I have 2 14s, but I also have what?
2.
I have 2 2s. So is this an example where I have more than one mode?
Yes.
Yeah. So my mode would be 2 and 14, because I have those two numbers that occur the most. Okay? All right, now if I'm going to find the median, okay, what I need to do first, remember what it said about the median. They have to be in what?
Order.
In order, okay? So I'm going to rearrange these numbers, and I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. What's the lowest number up there? 2. And then another 2. Okay, what's next? 5. And then what? 8. 10. And then 2 14s. And then what's last? 89. Okay. So what I did there is I put them in order from least to greatest, right? Right? Okay. Now, in order to find the median of these, I'm going to start crossing these out from the outside in, okay? Because I want to find the exact middle. So this one is gone. This one is gone. 2, 2, 3, 3. Now, I have two numbers here, okay? Lily, you're raising your hand. What should I do here?
You would find the number in between those and it would be 9.
Yeah, you can look at them and just know that between 8 and 10 is 9, or you can do this. If you're not sure what that number is, you add those two numbers. 8 plus 10 equal, okay, not 8 plus 18, smarty. 8 plus 10 equals 18, and then you divide by 2. 18 divided by 2 gives me what? 9. So this 9 would be my median. So I'm going to write equals 9. Okay? Do you see how I found that? Now the mean. Okay, what do I do to find the mean? Add all these up. Okay, so let's add them up. In your calculators, and I'm letting you use calculators for this. Okay, add up 5 plus 14 plus 8 plus 2 plus 89 plus 14 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, and tell me what you got. Huh?
134.
134. Do you guys agree? Okay.
I did it really fast.
And what am I going to divide that by?
8.
How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you divide 134 by 8, what do you get?
18.
18. Okay. Now sometimes that number might be a decimal, and that's fine if it's a decimal. Round up to the nearest tenth. Your directions will tell you what to round up to. Okay. That's pretty much it, guys. These are the three measures of central tendency, and we're going to expand on these as we go into tomorrow and the next day's lesson. But do I need to even do another example of this? It's pretty easy, right? You understand how to find the mean?
Yes.
You understand how to find the median?
Yes.
You understand how to find the mode?
Yes.
Okay. What if on this, what if there was no number that repeated itself? Let me show you one real quick. Okay. Let me just show you something that you might see. Okay. I'm going to erase all this, and I'm going to do another data set. Okay. Let's say I just have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If I was going to find the mean, okay, you would add these up and divide by what?
2.
By what?
5.
By 5. Okay, so if I added 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 5, 18. What's 18 divided by 5?
6.
What?
Okay, 18 divided by 5.
3.6.
3.6. Okay, the median. Now, these are already in order, aren't they? Now, this is one where I would actually have one. If I cross 2 out from each side, I have a number that's by itself. So what would my median be?
3.
This right here. Okay, now, I don't have any numbers that repeat themselves. So what am I going to put if I don't have any numbers that repeat themselves? You would put no mode. Okay? Yes, Lily?
Can you put all 2?
Can you put
All
all?
of them are modes?
No, because none of them repeated. Okay, if I had 2 of everything, then I could put all numbers, but a mode has to be at least more than once. Okay? All right. Are we good on this? Yes?
Yes.
All right.